Okay, guys, welcome. Welcome to the leadership training. Deepa, you have to do a separate one to champions for what they have missed. So, yeah. So we are here. We are. We should take 1.5 hours. There are many of you who know how it works, but there are equal numbers who don't know how that works. So this is in general an orientation for you to take it forward with your support. So if all support are there, then it's easier for the head table to get aligned with the process. So congratulations to the president of Nakshatra, Prabhu, Kumaresh from Ascent, Abdur Champions is not there. Tiara Shivaraman is yet to come. Sparkle Sri Raman, congratulations to all of you. The vice presidents, Mahesh is there. Viju, I didn't see. Jana, I didn't see. Gautam is there.
Yeah, is that?
Hi, Gautam. Mukund, of course, is there. So, congratulations to all of you. With the Secretary Treasurer, Mohan is there. Vivek was there. Again, Prasad not there. Tiara Ramesh is there. Sparkles Yusuf is there. Okay, congratulations for all of you to come to learn what your roles are to take it forward. So, if everybody can keep themselves on mute, it will be very nice. Please put yourself on mute, but keep your video on so that we just go through what is the expectations quickly. Today we are going, the agenda is first the expectation setting, our vision and timeline, the mission, the core values, what is the president's role, what is the VP's role, what's the secretary treasurer's role, and question and answers. If we have time, we will also take experiences from any of the head table who is present here on the president, VP, and the secretary treasurer role. So our vision as it is 600 strong members by March 2023 and all members making more and more money by following the BNI culture systems and process. We are having a strong 30-member regional team of senior director consultants, directors and ambassadors. So this is my vision, and I'm happy to say that we have touched 160 members as of today. And with the launch of Bravo that is expected by October, we should definitely be touching our 200 mark. So I'm thanking all of you who have been with me supporting us to this growth. Our timeline in 2020, we are looking at 200 members by 10 crores, which is possible by December. By March, we are looking at something like 250, 2021 March. And by 2022, we are looking at 500 members with a 40 crore of business. And 2023, we are looking at 600 members with 60 crores. Wish us all the best because all of us will make it's going forward together and getting lots of business done for each one of you. Our mission is have a great BNI experience, provide the best business support systems, and be the most preferred BNI region in Chennai. Our core values are givers gain, building relationships, lifelong learning, positive attitude, traditions and innovations, accountability, and recognition. So we look at everything together, and I'm fond of all of them, and we apply this mostly in business as well as family. In family too, if we work on all these, in your workplace, you work on all these, systems work very, very well. So how would you like to be a part of a chapter of 51 plus strong members that makes 5 crores a month? 51 is good, but 5 crores would be amazing, right? Today we are all the chapters are looking at developing their numbers, and the Tiara is already about 44 members. By the end of the term, they will be looking at 48. Maybe if they touch 51, hats off to you guys. We have Sparkles moving up to 33 members, and by the end of this term, by the end of this month, they are also looking at 36 members at the minimum and 40 members at maximum. We have Ascent, which has moved on to 30 members, and they are also looking at 33 minimum and 35 maximum in the month of September. We have Champions and Nakshatra. Nakshatra is at 28, definitely they were looking at them becoming 35. At 30 or 32 at the minimum and 35 maximum, and Tiara and chapter champions should be touching at least minimum 25 to 30, and they're all working towards it. And we are looking at definitely how to build the 5 crores a month is what I want to speak with all. Can you go on mute? Can you put people on mute? Yeah. Okay, 3 decisions of a great chapter. Any of us would have seen this? Everything depends on people. You need a strategy, and we need the people to work on strategy and execute it to get business. So all these things go together. And here is where we want all our head table and the support to work together. Leaders have to learn more to earn more. They have to be within the system, in it to win it. Set a culture. Only with a good culture, whether it's a company or your own business, your results will show up and everything gets measured. What gets measured gets done. And look at people and look at their strength. Be focused on their strength than their weakness and work on only the strengths. And we should have the be do have attitude that we are like what we want to be, do what we have to do, and finally have it with us. So, this is the power of a leadership team. A leadership team having these attitudes in mind will definitely be able to achieve more and more and more. I'm just going to share with you what is the leadership handover. So this is basically a document, and each support ambassador, please take care of this. Okay. Can you see this? There you go. Each of you have been given this PDF, okay? And let's see how you fill it up. Go ahead, fill your name and your chapter name. This is the first column. How many greens are there in this month? How many oranges are there? That means September and October. How many green, how many orange, how many red, and how many black? Please fill in the number here and project it for 6 months. Okay. The next one is chapter goals. You have to decide, write down what's current now, 6 months later, and 18 months, what do you project? Membership, how much current after 6 months, after 8 months? Retention, do you want 100%, 90%? Please start projecting all this. Visitors per week, conversion, what is the percentage? I think all supports are aligned with this, right? All supports know about it. Can I have Deepa knows, I know. Bhuvan, you are also aware of this. Achyut,
Yeah.
have you done this before? You've also done this before, right?
Yes, yes, we did it for the chapter itself, Tiara.
Yes. Okay. And so please fill this up with the help of the support. And then this is the education planner. Month 1, what is your power of 1? Month 2, what's your power of 1? So all education, all the planning should be around that power of 1 when you are doing the education coordination. So all the 6 months, please plan it. External, I've already given you the what is available, what kind of workshops are available right now. I've given the 6-month calendar. Please go through the trainings, plug it in yours. This is a very important planner that you can do. One is a referral activity, one is an inviting activity. On the referral activity, you can choose any one of them. So, for example, I don't think Sparkles have ever used Swap weekly presentations, or you have not done double day. So these are all things that you can use for your planning. And on the inviting activity, you can choose best client day, best supplier day, then facilitated visitor day. So you can just do, this is the innovation or the creativity that you can bring in. Now let's look at the BNI game. So BNI game is always done either a best run in Feb March or August and September at the end of a leadership term. That means typically if it had happened last month and this month, so totally eight weeks, and you could give points like this. Member arrives before 7:45, brought a visitor to the meeting, your visitor joins, more than one external referral, written testimonial given, updated profile on BNI Connect. So you could devise your own structure for a game and you can run it for 2 months. So put that in your planner. Everything is in the 6-month planner has to be taken care of. And this is the way you write your chapter planner. Every week you're writing what's the date, what's the focus, what's the referral activity, what is the inviting activity, what is the education activity. So this is the planner, the 6-month planner that we are asking you to do. If you look at week 12, that's a midterm goal review. That means succession plan starts from the middle, sometime around December itself. You guys have to look at it, who is going to be the next person, right? So, is this clear? Is this part of it clear to everyone? Yusuf? Yes. I move on. So this is the example, what we gave. So this chapter has decided that they want to do 2.97 crores in 6 months, 8.75, 18 months, 18 crores. Membership is 22, 34, 45, and so on. Retention is 56%, 65, and 77, and so on. So fill in yours, and what will be measured? We will measure attendance, one-to-ones, chapter education units of BNI University, visitors per month, memberships new and renewal, hash of members total, and reference total. So these are all what we will measure, and you know this as members traffic lights. The more green members you have, more business the members will be receiving. So the healthy chapter is a green chapter. When you always take on financial health, it's your chapter health, more green members, and more members above 85 means they are big givers. So this is the power of one that we have planned from the region. You can also plug it in if it works for you. Mostly, we have looked at attendance in October, visitors, conversion, January visitors again, February conversion, March attendance. You could do it according to this mostly because we will be having some little competitions on this. One thing I would like to point out here is from September onwards, be very cautious on the attendance. Okay, we need 100% attendance. So wherever, please follow the process and the systems of the attendance part of it. So here, another additional BNI profile is definitely needed for all members because they're already categorizing all the categories in BNI Connect. And which means all members across the world in, say, interior design will be clubbed together. And BNI profile will be very important to be reached out. For business, BNI profile is very crucial. The 6-month calendar I've shared. I think everyone has an access to it, right? All 6-month calendar. All of you have seen the 6-month calendar. Should I share it?
மேடம் நீங்க ஒரு எக்ஸல் ஷீட்ல போட்டு கொடுத்தீங்களா தானே சொல்றீங்க?
இல்ல.
மந்த் வைஸ் டேட் போட்டு இருக்குமே.
கூகுள் ஷீட் அனுப்பிச்சிருந்தாங்க. கூகுள் ஷீட் அதுல கிளிக்
பண்ணா கூகுள் ஷீட்ல மந்த் போட்டு கீழ டேட்ஸ்லாம் போட்டு.
எஸ் கரெக்ட் அதேதான்.
எக்ஸாக்ட்லி. சோ அதுல வந்து இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா this is done for the region. Now whichever was the weekly the trainings, LTRT trainings, they've all been copied in your page. For example, I have for say let's assume say Tiara. See, you look at Tiara, I have just put whatever is important training dates. You have to plug your 6-month calendar with your power of 1. what is your power of one. Only when this is complete, which means you're planned for full 6 months, one time work, complete it off. So that every month you are not looking, what should I do? Who should do the education? What kind of 30 seconds should I do? What is the theme I have to do? What is the referral activity I have to do? So plan it off beforehand. Sit with your ambassadors, complete this, take 2 weeks, but complete it totally. Okay, that's very, very important. The another key area is everyone may have forgotten. I don't know whether you're putting the power team workshop, which is in the regions. There's a training that's happening because both these chapters, um, Tiara and Sparkles, wanted a power team training, and this was a special request from Bhuvan and Nandakumar. So here this is on the 9th. Tell me if those dates are okay. If 9th is not okay, we have to reschedule, but you have the entire team ready for power team workshop training. Let me know on this. This is a option open to you. So just go ahead and fill this entire sheet and let us get planned for the next term. Okay, so there you go, 6-month calendar done. So our expectations from the region, for all chapters, please come early, follow the agenda of the meeting, have a BNI background and BNI attire. Be positive, energetic, supportive, professional and responsible. Meetings have to start and end in time. A new member orientation should definitely happen after induction. Many new members have joined and they have to feel a part of the family. So please go ahead and do new member orientations, and one-to-one with new members should definitely happen with the head table. As soon as a new member gets inducted, the head table please work together, set up a meeting and just have a chit chat to understand what he does. Make him feel very comfortable. Monthly leadership meeting to be conducted and reports sent to the regional office by 7th of every month. Attend all LTRT meetings, attend all trainings so that you can motivate members to attend the same. Complete the LTT series, keep all members engaged in some role or the other. Inspire members to be in BNI attire. BNI attire with the background of BNI. All other coordinators to be assigned the LTT series and set the culture. Follow the process and systems. So this is the chart. Under the president, you have one-to-one power team, education, LT meetings compulsory, chapter marketing team that can be a social media coordinator under him, passport to success and a business team. This is new, and event coordinators. These come under the president. Under the VP, you will have the goal monthly chart, trained Garam teams at all times, monthly committee meetings. And under the secretary treasurer, we have the visitor host, attire coordinator, the feature presentation, weekly presentation, chapter roster, renewals, and speaker rotation. I'll be sending this file out to all of you, so you don't have, I mean, you can have this as a ready reference all the time. So now
Soumya, can you just go back? What is this business team means?
So we are looking at a new concept this time as a business team of 6 people, 5 to 6 members, mostly ex-HT, ex-LT. You have to ensure business for all. And that's possible by a completely different team that is working only to get and understand, as long as the members are doing everything right, to get business for all. This is a retention move that we are doing.
No, that's what we discussed. This is part of president role only, no?
Yeah, so this is like a business team. Everything comes under president.
No. Thing is, it's a part of the already growth team is there. It is business growth team, which we discussed.
Yeah, so you can allocate it wherever. So we thought we can put it under the Garam. So
no, I don't know. That's what earlier you spoken. This is part of president, but Bhuvan told me it is part of VP. That's what I had a little bit of confusion. Where you want? I asked him.
We'll talk about it. See, basically, we have to work it out as growth.
Right.
So if it is growth in business, then technically every single role comes under the president. Every role comes under the president. It's based on your delegation, where you want to put that in. Okay, so we can discuss this definitely. Just keep making notes and we can have an FAQ session at the end of it, so that we can also have experienced people talk about it for us. Yeah. Over to Deepa.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the head table orientation for the next incoming term. And I'm going to talk about the role of president. So president is a visionary. He or she provides the leadership to the entire chapter. You're expected to, have a great audio and have a great flow of the agenda, the BNI agenda. And so I request all of you, all the presidents, to practice your script, watch yourself in the mirror and keep smiling always, yeah, and practice it, and it will come out naturally in just a couple of weeks. And the LT meetings are run by the president. LT pathingana head table, Garam, and all the coordinators together is called the LT in BNI. And அது வந்து ஒரு specific format இருக்கு. So president has to run that meeting monthly once. And the goals, all the goals, whatever Soumya has discussed, your attendance and business and chapter growth in terms of members, everything comes under the president. He is the one person who is accountable for everything in the chapter. And yes, another important thing is succession planning. They have to find out, find out on the next term, subsequent term president vanda yarangarada. You have to work with 2 or 3 people along with your support director, and be ready to mentor them and work along with them. So online la konjam what we are doing is a little bit extra. One thing is okay, you are the brand champion. அதாவது BNI ஓட brand வந்து கரெக்டா யூஸ் ஆகுதா? Small things in terms of making the weekly poster or doing the roster properly. Roster வந்து BNI formatல இருக்காங்கறதெல்லாம் பார்க்கறதெல்லாம் president ஓட இதுதான். So president கீழ தான், if there's a brand coordinator or a social media coordinator will come. And one point contact I would suggest from the regional office, whether it is the ED or the support director or the ambassador. If with the chapter or person kita communicate pani decisions edutha nalla. Of course you develop a relationship with everybody, that's a different thing, but for very critical issues or some serious decisions, I think the president should be the one person point of contact, a bridge between the regional office and the chapter. And yes, already I told that you need to do the head table or at least the president selection, because usually the incoming president would like to see whom he can work with in VP and secretary treasurer. So preferably avங்களுக்கு வந்து comfortable இருக்கறனால இருக்கணும். And you make your chapter a green chapter and maintain that. Without it goes without saying, in the term la வந்து we have selected all the people who have been selected, where first ungaloda individual member traffic lights which we have selected. Anybody above 50 points, amber and green we have taken. So if you have to make yourself green first, please do it. It's quicker, and then you can make your chapter also green. So this is the basic expectations of president. And next, and little bit of reporting and must-haves is there. First one, the goal setting one, the BNI Connect la enter pannom. You will get the access on October 1st. Okay, so on October 1st, you'll get the access. I will tell number demo கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட் இருக்காரு. புவன் வந்து தான் நம்மளுக்கு எல்லா ரிப்போர்ட்ஸ்க்கும் டெமோ கொடுக்க போறாரு. புவன் எப்படின்னா எப்படி செய்ய போறோம்னு சொல்றதை விட எப்படி செய்யக்கூடாதுன்னு கரெக்டா கொடுப்பாரு டெமோ. So he's going to give a demo of how to set the goals and all the reports. So goal setting வந்து அந்த சாப்டர் ஒரு தடவை நம்ம என்டர் பண்ணி சப்மிட் பண்ணிட்டா you change it for the next 6 months. So be very careful on setting the goals. அதுல இருக்கிற இந்த numeric values எல்லாமே வந்து it matters. 10 lakhs na 10 followed by 5 zeros போடக்கூடாது. It should be only 10, something like that. So take care while putting the goals. Every month உங்க goals versus achievement வச்சு தான் LTRT awards வந்து நாங்க கொடுக்குறோம். So if it's empty, then we won't be able to do anything you won't be able to participate in LTRT. So first and foremost important thing is you need to enter the goals. And then last week of every month, you need to do your LT meeting. There is a format. LT meeting, kandipa support director and support ambassador rendu perum sendu attend pannom with your entire group of coordinators. What I told earlier, the head table, all 3 people, membership committee, and all the coordinators. Then 6 months calendar vandu அது உங்க பைபிள் மாதிரி குரான் மாதிரி உங்க பகவத்கீதா மாதிரி வச்சுக்கோங்க. Don't try to reinvent, don't try to adjust. There'll be lot of you'll be facing lot of situations. People will tell நம்ம big visitors day அடுத்த மாசம் வச்சுக்கலாம், இது பண்ணலாம் அது பண்ணலாம்னு. That if you do that, you will waste your time. Take time and do your 6 months calendar and stick to it, whatever at whatever cost, you know. Never try to change the 6 months calendar. Go அப்பதான் உங்களோட கோல்ஸ் நீங்க அச்சீவ் பண்ண முடியும். And chapter traffic lights இருக்கு, like how we have the member traffic lights, chapter traffic light BNI Connectல இருக்கு. So you can also see how you can access அது. எப்பவுமே வாரம் அது பார்த்துட்டு இருங்க, because it's though it is for a monthly basis, every week shows the progress on what color you are. And because you need to always think green, you need to have a look at it every week after your meeting. So Bhuvan, can you share the goal setting access in BNI Connect?
Right. I'll stop sharing your screen.
Yeah. Everybody can see your chapter goals, but only the head table can update it. All the 3 people have, but we would the president has to update it. So once it's updated, you cannot change it.
Good evening all, and first of all, congratulations to all the new head table members. And you all can see the BNI Connect laundry list of menu options, right? Okay. So the first and foremost is your goals. You can actually go ahead and enter the goals. I'll just show you as to what.
But Bhuvan, you have put it in shortcut. Not everybody would have done that. So can you go through the actual original menu where it is not a shortcut?
என்னோட ஹோம் பேஜ்ல இருந்து போனா கொஞ்சம் எம்பாரசிங்கா இருந்தது, அதனால தான் டைரக்ட்லி அட்ஜஸ்ட்
போடுங்க.
Okay, so you log into this. Okay, don't look at the numbers. Okay, so and actually you can see this chapter shortcut.
பாப்பாங்க அதெல்லாம் சொல்லாமே இருக்கணும்.
Chapter shortcut, you go and select there, and this is where actually you'll have to start entering your chapter goals. How many of you have done this? You can go and type it in the chat box. How many of you have done this earlier? Please let
actually
us know.
If you don't mind, can you go to operations?
Yeah.
And go to chapter?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, here manage goals is there.
Yeah.
And there you enter chapter goals. So what Bhuvan has done is, முன்னாடி அவர் head table 2 தடவை இருந்தனால முன்னாடி chapter goals எல்லாம் shortcut போட்டு வச்சிட்டாரு. So you can do that also. But இப்போ நான் சொன்ன process, go to operations, go to chapter, and then go to manage goals, right? அது வந்து தான் உங்களுக்கு access இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு வேணா நீங்க எடுத்து நீங்க shortcutல போட்டுக்கலாம்.
So if you have done this, okay, I'm just taking Sparkle's which has already been entered. I'll just show you as to what are the parameters which needs to be entered. This is for the period of 6 months which we need to enter. You have to enter your long-term vision. You have to enter your mission statement and attendance. What is the percentage? What is the goal actually you are setting for each month has to be entered here. Okay. And if you have any specific mechanism, okay, let's say for example, if you want to drive some initiatives, you have to enter it here as well, so that it is very clear. This is the goal, and this is how actually you're going to execute it. And total number of one-to-ones, this is based on the number of members you're going to enter the one-to-ones, right? Let's say for example, if Tierra has got 43 members as of today, probably they'll be planning for one-to-ones for this month based on the number of members. Next month, let's assume that actually they are going to have 51 members, then the one-to-one should be based on that number, right? So based on whatever your chapter growth is all about, you have to, this will also be dynamic in terms of how many one-to-ones. And this is, please bear in mind that only one-to-one has to be entered in the BNI Connect. So if ரெண்டு பேர் பண்ணாங்கன்னா ரெண்டு one-to-one கிடையாது அது. We all are aware of it. Okay. And the CU units, how much actually we want to achieve, right? And visitors, how many we want to drive, all that actually has to be entered. See, you can only enter the goal, you cannot enter the actuals. You can actually enter the activity or the execution which you want to do. That plan actually can be entered here, but not the actuals. Actual gets updated automatically from your PALM submission. Every week when you submit it, it gets automatically updated based on that month. And
So when you
number,
have your 6 months calendar, you will know that in November you have a BVD plan and February you have the International Networking Week plan. அதை வந்து இங்க மெக்கானிசமா போடலாம். இந்த மாதிரி இந்த இன்வைட்டிங் ஆக்டிவிட்டி வச்சிருக்கோம், இதுல இவ்வளவு டார்கெட் பண்றோம்னு சொல்லி போடலாம் ஃபார் விசிட்டர்ஸ். லைக் தட் ஃபார் பிசினஸ் ஆல்சோ யூ கேன் ஹேவ். So that is why the 6 months calendar first பண்ணிட்டா நீங்க கோல் செட்டிங் பண்ண முடியும். கோல் செட்டிங்லயும் வந்து மெம்பர் growth first பண்ணாதான் அதுதான் பேஸ். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் you can go in for the other parameters.
so again, based on, let's say, like, for example, if you're running a BVD in assuming actually you're going to run a BVD in November. So November la BVD run பண்ணீங்கன்னா, then how many number of members actually you are going to induct? If you are going to do the BVD only the third week or the fourth week of that month, obviously அந்த வீக்கே வந்து induction வர்றதுன்றது bit difficult. Probably next week the induction will be happening. So you'll have to take into consideration the new memberships, how much actually are going to be inducted. Okay, இவங்க எல்லாமே வந்து மேல இருந்து தான் இருக்கும். So I mean ஜூன்ல இருந்து இருக்கும். April, May, Sparkles actually was not launched. Yeah, so it is only from June you will get to see the numbers. Number of members in chapter, this is a total number. How, so for example, let's say November, yeah, November actually we are looking at five new members to be added, assuming the chapter size is already 33 plus 5, 38. Okay, and if there is a renewal which is coming up for 2 members, if you have to consider that whether you are planning to renew that member as well, and then you have to include that total number of members, how much actually you are planning to include, right? So if 28 irundanga, 3 members getting added, 31 is what actually they're looking at it. Okay, and another 2 members, 33. By end of this term they will be adding 36. So they've actually done 33 as of today, and another 3 more they will be able to do it. Okay, so this is how actually it will be entered. And this data, again I'm reiterating, actual is updated from the palms. Okay, and number of referrals, it's all based on the number of members you have and the number of one-to-ones you do. You arrive at as to what is the number of referrals which you need to do, or you can go by a simple thumb rule calculation of 1.2 referrals per member per week, and then actually you can come up with this number. And these numbers actually which you see are updated from the form submission. And thank you for the closed businesses. Again, what actually we are looking at it in terms of the growth of the business for every month. Okay, so they've taken equal target of 25 lakhs across 4 months. So they were actually trying to achieve 1 crore, but they've already crossed that number. In August, actually, they made around 1.1 crore, and this month, actually, so far, they've done 7.28 lakhs. Okay, so this is how it has to be entered, and this is the first and foremost thing every team has to do before they start this, because this is what we are going to present, and this is the number which we are going to go after for the entire term. And like Deepa said, once you have submitted this, you can't edit this at all. There is no call down, there is no top up, nothing like that. You can go for a stretch goal, you can maintain it separately, but you can't call down those numbers and all that. You can't do any addition in this respect to this goal setting part of it. If it's clear, please just
So
say.
what we suggest is, yeah, we Soumya ma'am கொடுத்திருக்கிற அந்த ஃபைல்ல access இருக்குல 6 months goal அதுல submit பண்ணிடுங்க. Get it approved by each by the ED and your support director and support ambassador that everything is okay, and then you can input. We have time, it's only 4th September, so if you do it in the next 2 days, then we in a week or something we will approve it and keep it ready for you to input whenever it is done. So Bhuvan number nariya irukudhu, so can we go to the next?
Yeah, sure. And the next one is
LT
talking
meeting.
about the
LT meeting.
Yeah,
LT meeting or a report format, but just a quick go through in that.
Sure. Yeah, I'll just show you the LT meeting report. LT meeting is the leadership team meeting.
Very similar to membership. I mean, a membership committee. It has something extra.
See, இதுல வந்து உங்களோட head table members, your garam members and your key coordinates have to be present. It makes them actually, you're including everybody to discuss as to what is the performance of that particular chapter for that month. Okay, what is the target actually you have taken? This is for the current month. Let's say, for example, if you're doing it for September, end of September, the last week of September, actually you'll be talking about what is the goal which you have set. You are taking it from BNI Connect, and you're actually filling these numbers, number of members, visitors, referrals, and everything. And this is based on the form submission. அன்னைக்கு மீட்டிங் நடக்கும்போது நீங்க ஃபார்ம் சப்மிட் பண்ணிருக்க மாட்டீங்க, பட் இன்க்ளூட் த நம்பர் ஆஃப் இண்டக்ஷன்ஸ் இஃப் யூ ஹவ் டன் எனி இண்டக்ஷன்ஸ் டியூரிங் தட் வீக், number of visitors who have attended that meeting, and number of referrals has been passed. Even before you updated the forms, you can actually include it and submit this as part of your LT. And the top 5 business categories which you want to invite and which you want to actually grow your chapter, and this is the membership committee report actually has to be shared by the MC, I mean by the VP. ST has to share let's say the financial position, or if there are any since we do not have the in-person meeting, there is no reason that actually we need to have this outstanding something like that in terms of the meeting fees and all. And if there are any chapter issues which you want to discuss, okay, please do record it and also suggest as to what is the action plan. Any concern
but
from the leadership
this
team?
issue should have been discussed in the MC first and then brought on to the LT.
And if any concerns from the leadership team, as from everybody, you can actually go ahead and update it here. And these are all the actions which we are going to take, okay, and this is what you're going to go after, so that actually we don't repeat those issues, or we close those issues and move forward, right? And the important thing is this has to be done on a month end, last week of the month, and this has to be submitted by the president. This meeting has to be chaired by the president. Clear?
And you need to actually write down on the right side who are all the members who attended the meeting along their names, mention their names somewhere in the bottom or the top or in the right side.
Yeah, so that's done.
And burning on the chapter traffic lights every பார்க்கணும்னு சொல்லி போங்க. Meanwhile, some weird things have been happening in some of the chapters where the LT meeting is run only by the president or only by the head table, which is not a very good sign. You should have the MC and all the coordinators happen. இது பேருக்காக பண்றோங்கிறது தெரிஞ்சிடும், then visibility, credibility, profitability அதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட் தான் நடக்கும். So please avoid it, and எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து பண்ணாதான் அது வந்து it makes sense. So please take care of that. And the next is the 6 months calendar what Samya ma'am had given. You make it in a nice format and put it in your chapter roster. Chapter roster has a BNI chapter roster has a format which myself and Bhuvan and Ripin have worked on it, and we have sent to the current head table the formats. Some chapters are using it, updating it. Some are not updated. அது 2 மாசம் பழைய இது இருக்கு. So அது update பண்ணி யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா it's easy to send it to your visitors. It's easy to even share it with your new members, and who can get to know about it. It's a very good marketing tool, a feel good tool, and it is a very effective business tool also. So please get somebody in your team to do the chapter rosters and put your 6 months calendar there, which will create a lot of value for their membership in BNI. And let's go and see how to see the chapter traffic lights.
Go to reports, go to chapter, and then actually you will get this list of menu items, chapter traffic lights. Click for the particular month. Let's take it for August.
September is not done, so we go for August.
And selected this. So what? Okay, so this is how actually you can look at your what is the performance of your chapter in terms of your chapter metrics also has been given. What is the size of the chapter? How many members have been added in the last 6 months? What is the retention percentage, referrals, and how many visitors actually have been invited? All this a percentage, and conversion ratio, absenteeism, and the score. Again, similar to member traffic light, if anything above 70 and above actually is a green chapter. And again, congrats to all the current head table members actually who have taken the chapter to green and retained that green traffic light 75, 70, 70. And these two chapters, again, they can actually do few things quite well, and then they can also be a green chapter very soon. Okay, so irrespective of the size of the chapter, okay, you can actually become a green chapter based on certain things what you do correct. And if you can maintain, let's say if you can maintain absenteeism very less, that's an important area. Okay, and if your visitors, assuming you are getting only 20 visitors, but if your conversion ratio is 20%, okay, that itself is a good number. It doesn't mean that, okay, we need to have more number of visitors, but the conversion is not happening, then it is a cause of concern, right? So all that actually you can measure and you can see as to how much a chapter is doing and how good are they in terms of these metrics.
So the metrics we will share it with you. The current head table has minimum எவ்வளோ எடுக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறது இருக்கு. Minimum referrals எவ்வளோ இருக்கணும், what is the referral per member per weekங்கிற 2-3 metrics இருக்கு. All what is there. 25 members எடுத்தா you have the points for the chapter size. The chapter has to be minimum 25. So அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. அந்த இது வந்து current head table இருக்கு. We will share it. Soumya, like we'll get help from Jayanti and we will share it in the new head table. Whoever is coming in, see to that you are conscious about those numbers and you go after it.
See,
So
for Sparkles, the retention will not be there right now. It will come only next year, June. So till then, actually, it will not be there. So that's why actually there is no rating for that. But the rest of the parameters, actually, they are doing it, and that's what actually it has been reflected here, right?
Yeah. So
Okay.
we'll go to the main presentation. Who is sharing it?
Soumya is sharing.
We need to go to. So president role, what is the expectation? What's the role, and what are the reports that is required, reporting that is required? Being solely paathutom. We are going for the vice president now.
Yeah. Before that, okay, one question from Achyut. What is the difference between HD and MC? MC should. We'll take that question, Achyut, after this. Definitely, we'll come back
We
to you.
have
on
a
that.
session for questionnaire.
Yeah.
We can just
so we'll take that
give it
question.
in one shot.
Right. Okay. So vice president is the most important role in any chapter in BNI, because they are the ones actually who are going to run the entire operations of the chapter. Like the chapter marketing is all and the strategy direction, everything is being set by the president. Who's going to execute it? It's the vice president and its team, right? So vice president and their MC team actually really does a lot of work in terms of the chapter growth, both for member growth as well as making sure the culture, making sure the discipline is being followed, everybody is attending so that everybody gets business, all that. Okay, there's a truckload of responsibility they actually carry. That is why actually they have a very strong MC team to be assisting them to make the chapter grow. Okay, there's always a saying in BNI, the chapter makes or breaks depends on the MC. Okay, and your MC has to be really strong in terms of taking up the role and delivering that role. Otherwise there is no point. Okay, if the member is not delivering it, then there will be definitely there will be a lot of loopholes and we will not be able to achieve the common goal what has been set by the chapter head table. Okay, so there are 5 members now. Right now actually we're talking about a 6-member Garam team. We are looking at chapter growth in terms of members, in terms of business, in terms of attendance, application review, referral quality, mentoring. All these are very important, and they are the ones actually who are going to be making sure that everybody does their role perfectly and also get business for everybody to grow the chapter as well. If there is a conflict amongst the members, it is the MC which actually resolves the conflict. First of all, actually we'll have to get the members to talk to each other. If it is not resolved amongst themselves, then it has to go to MC. MC members only take up that during the MC meeting. It has to come in a form of writing, then they'll have to take it up in the MC meeting, discuss it, and then finalize with a solution as to what actually they're going to implement it. Okay, so MC actually carries a lot more responsibility in terms of running the chapter. Okay, and let's see as to what are the things actually they are supposed to do in terms of a VP, what actually they are supposed to do. If you have any questions, you just let me know while I'm actually getting into
No,
BNI
actually
Connect.
chapter present in online we have the chapter presentation done, so we have to do it in that particular format, and you have to drive for referrals and for new membership along with your MC team. You need to be accountable for culture. Culture is very important. A chapter that is marking present, people present who are absent, members who are not coming, and you're marking present means your culture is gone, and that's the first step of failure as a chapter. Please, you think you're accommodating people, but that is your first big step of failure. And also referrals, the quality of referrals is very important. And the referral quality check on inga panalena, another another step of the failure. And then if the visitors வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா basically I tell you, because culture is about doing what is right and not doing what is wrong. So I'm telling you all the wrong things, 3 major wrong things that may go wrong. Your new chapters, you come up, why do you want to experiment and fail? There are other chapters who have done it, so you can learn it from them. Proxy attendance போடாதீங்க, referral quality check பண்ணுங்க. மூணாவது வந்து visitors வந்து proper visitors வந்து enter பண்ணுங்க. If a lot of people are bringing their own employees, their business associates, and then marking them as visitors, it will not work. Only when a new member comes in, அவங்க induction போது அவங்களோட partners இல்லைன்னா family members, friends அவங்களெல்லாம் வந்து போட்டுக்கலாம். But when after that, you have to ensure that they are bringing in qualified business people who are decision makers in their company, and they can help to give referrals to your chapter members, and even better, if they like the group, they can join you. So அவங்க தான் வந்து are qualified as visitors. இது எல்லாமே வந்து இவான் மைஸ்னோட பாட்காஸ்ட்ல இருக்குது, யாரை வந்து கூப்பிடணும் கூப்பிடக்கூடாதுன்னு. ஸோ இந்த 3 விஷயம் தான் கல்ச்சர் வந்து டிஃபைன் பண்ணும். Set your high standards of culture and you can see the chapter soaring. And another important thing is vice president தான். president கொடம் சரியில்லை வர முடியல அப்படின்னா vice president reads the script and runs the meeting instead of the president. No other person, பழைய president is not allowed to do the substitution for the president. Only vice president can do that. அந்த கேஸ்ல வந்து பழைய VP யாராவது வந்து you can make them to do the VP script. So these are few things that are very, very important for the VP. And
Deepa,
what we are going to see, palms entry. Yeah,
Deepa, if you don't mind, கொஞ்சம் ஒரு 10% ஸ்பீட் கம்மியா போனீங்கன்னா நோட்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கிறது கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா இருக்கும். both Bhuvan and Deepa.
No, we will share this presentation to you.
Okay, just நீங்க ஏன்னா சில based on experience சில டிப்ஸ் சொல்றீங்க, அது நோட் பண்றதுக்கு ப்ளீஸ்.
Okay. I will add that culture point in the presentation, and அது மட்டும் தான் நான் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா பேசியிருக்கேன். இது எல்லாமே it's there in the slide. So palms entry எப்படி பண்றதா இப்ப Bhuvan is telling you how to put the palms entry.
It's already entered here. I'm just opening up the previous one. So this is where actually you go ahead after the secretary treasurer enters the visitor details. Actually he will get to the vice president when he logs in to the palms entry. Actually he will be able to see all the visitor details. He has to verify whether the visitor actually has come in by saying yes or no. Okay, if the visitor has come in, he has to say yes, and then he verifies the data and all that. After that, the most important thing is okay, before that, what is palms? What does palms stand for? Can you quickly go and type it in the chat box? PALMS, what does it mean?
Meanwhile நம்ம அந்த edit palms போ வருதுல்ல Bhuvan, அதுல போலாமா? Like
Sure.
that will give them the exact screen how it looks before submitting the palms.
Sure.
Medical. Okay.
பாருங்க எல்லாரும் ஆன்சர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்களா?
Yeah. Present, absent, late, leave, medical, substitute. Okay.
Support ambassadors are excused. Okay, so see இவங்க எல்லாம் சப்மிட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. Okay, let's
go to 11th.
Yeah, 11.
September 11th should be open. So draft, yeah.
I don't have the access, so
Okay,
yeah, I think people are entering it.
Enter palms கொடுங்க.
Enter palms. Just press
don't,
enter.
we don't have access.
இல்ல மீட்டிங்
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine, thanks. Okay.
So just drop down.
Forms la vandu you all are right. Okay, present, absent, late, medical and substitute, right? இது ரொம்ப cautious-ஆ யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Okay, this is where everything is dependent. Okay, even your attendance, everything is dependent on here. Okay, if that member is really medically unfit, please go ahead and mark them medical. Don't put substitute, don't put present, don't put late. If they are medically unfit, please. And if they have real emergency, let's say somebody's death or something like that, take a call as to what you want to do. Okay, and it's all use your discretion in terms of as to what you want to do with that particular member's attendance.
See,
and
death is also an emergency medical only, Bhuvan. Death also we need to mark. member, family member இல்லனா போனோம்னா it is a medical only.
So இப்ப மெடிக்கல் மார்க் பண்ணி சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் வராம சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் மார்க் பண்ணாதீங்க. Please
Yes,
don't do that.
right.
Don't ever do that. Okay. And because it'll hurt somebody else. See, everybody has the access to get your PALMS report. Okay. They will go and check. Automatically they will go and check. And they'll say, okay, chapter head table is actually kind of not marking.
Partial.
I mean, they're partial. These are the kind of comments which we'll have to hear from the members. Okay. Why do we have to get into all that? Okay. And so நீங்க தப்பா மார்க் பண்ணீங்கன்னா ஒண்ணுமே பண்ண முடியாது. அந்த மெம்பருக்கு ஆப்பு தான். டிராஃபிக் லைட் காலி. Okay. So please make sure that you are marking correct attendance. Okay. And your RJ RGO they would have entered. Okay. Based on what they've entered in BNA Connect, it is going to get reflected. Okay. அவங்களோட visitors நீங்க வந்து செக்ரட்டரி ட்ரெஷரர் என்டர் பண்ண டேட்டால இருந்து இங்க வந்துட போறது அது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா வந்துரும். ஒன் டு ஒன்ஸ் என்டர் பண்றது பாருங்க. தேங்க்யூ ஸ்லிப்பும் don't ever modify, don't ever edit all this. Okay. These are all only for you to verify, because some of them would have said during the meeting, I am connecting so and so with Deepa. நான் அது பண்ணிருக்கவே மாட்டேன். BNA கனெக்ட்ல நான் என்டரே பண்ணிருக்க மாட்டேன். I will be just coming and reading it in the meeting just to make sure that I should not get embarrassed in the referrals and testimonials round. If it is not entered, please don't ever allow them to actually read it out in the in the meeting. Okay. It has to be entered in BNA Connect before it is read out in the meeting, right? And similarly, your testimonials, if you scroll to the right, another most important thing, testimonial எதுக்கு கொடுக்குறாங்கன்றது தனியா ஒரு செஷன் வச்சுக்கிறோம். ஓகே. பட் டெஸ்டிமோனியல் கொடுத்தா அதை வந்து இங்க வந்து நீங்க என்டர் பண்ணாதான் it will get reflected in your traffic light, otherwise it will not get reflected in traffic lights for that member.
Only the VP can enter the testimonials. மீதி எல்லாமே members போடலாம். அட்டெண்டன்ஸும் டெஸ்டிமோனியலும் VP போட்டாதான் வந்து BNA கனெக்ட்ல கணக்கு வரும் for all the members. ரெஃபரல் என்டர் பண்ணலாம், தேங்க்யூ ஸ்லிப் என்டர் பண்ணலாம், விசிட்டர் வந்து செக்ரட்டரி ட்ரெஷரர் போடணும்.
Yeah. And also if this remarks column, this is what I've used when I was a VP. I used to actually enter all the people who have attended the training for that particular week or the week before, whatever. Okay. I used to enter all their names and I used to submit this. Okay. No meeting this week lang kadave kadada. You idella yen potanga. Okay. Let's say if you are actually having some doubt, you can discard the PALMS before submitting it. Okay. But after discussion with your head table members and all, and then after entering it, if you submit it, again nothing can be done. Okay. So please make sure that all the data is verified properly, and all this has to be entered and submitted immediately within 24 hours after the meeting is done.
புவனாங்க சேவ் அஸ் டிராஃப்ட்னு இருக்கு அப்படினா என்னது?
Okay, let's say for example you are actually doing this, allegation வரைக்கும் வந்துட்டார் ஸ்ரீராமன். Okay. Attendance verify பண்ணிட்டாரு. He has got a call, he has to go on to that meeting. He can right now actually he can save it as save as draft, right? And he can come back and resume. It is still not in the submission state. Discard is you are actually discarding that entire PALMS report and then actually are going to redo. This is saving the draft as actually whatever you have done so far. You do not want those changes to be lost, so you can actually save it as a draft. You can come back here, complete that, and then you can submit it. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can
I will come to yeah. And
audit slip காமிக்க முடியுமா? ஒரு sample audit slip.
I'll just show them as to how it can be taken. Okay.
So இந்த ரெஃபரல்ஸ் வந்து செக் பண்ணனும்னு சொல்றாங்களே, எப்படி செக் பண்ணுவீங்க நீங்க? ஒரு 2 weeks முன்னாடி இருக்கிற PALMSல போய் ஆடிட் ஸ்லிப் பார்த்தா you can take the data who has given whom referral and who has got from cross chapter, who has got the thank you slip, அது எல்லாமே வந்து வரும். அதோட
okay,
no,
so
major holiday.
I'm just retrieving the 14th August PALMS which has been submitted. Okay. If the referral value quality coordinator Yusuf actually wants to do a referral quality check, whether this referral, for example, somebody has passed, Alageshwaran has passed 3 referrals, he has got 3 referrals, right? யார்கிட்ட வந்தது என்ன பண்ணினாரு அப்படின்னு பார்க்கணும்னா, சாரி ஃபார் பிக்கிங் அப் அலகேஸ்வரன் பிகாஸ் அவரோட நேம் தான் நேரா வருது. ஸோ இங்க பாருங்க, யாருக்கு யாரோட 1-to-1 பண்ணாங்க இல்ல ரெஃபரல் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஆர்த்தி லால் has done has passed a referral to Vasant, and whether it is an inside referral, outside referral, all that can be found out here. right?
But yeah,
And
contact details மட்டும் வராது. Like who is the client இருக்குல்ல அது மட்டும் வராது.
அதெல்லாம் வராது. அதுக்கு நீங்க போய் அந்த ஸ்லிப்பை தான் பார்க்கணும். And why is Badri Seshadri's name is highlighted in bold? Because he is from a different chapter. That's why actually his name is highlighted in bold, and which chapter he belongs to is also actually displayed here, right? And thank you slip, உங்களுக்கு இவங்களுக்கு யார் எவ்வளவு அமௌண்ட் தேங்க்யூ ஸ்லிப் பாஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னு வரும், பட் யார் பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்றது வராது. That you will not find out, because that will be known only to that person. How much business that person has done, they can only see it in their BNA Connect, either from the mobile app or from the web based version of it. Okay, not nobody can see it. It is only privacy, I mean privy to the member. This is how much business they have given, only we can see. Aarti Lal has given 400 rupees, and look at this, Ramesh Oyavuru 1 crore 4 lakh. Okay,
Yeah, we heard all about it. Yeah.
Okay, so this is how you can find out all the information. You will get to see everything. In fact, visitor good vandirukar Sriram. Okay, all that can be found out. இதுல ஓடவும் முடியாது ஓடியவும் முடியாது மாதிரி தாங்க எல்லாமே. whatever is entered in BNA Connect can be seen except your business what you have done. That's all. Is it clear? Palms is the most important thing. It's the என்ன சொல்றது, ஒரு most important element for running of the chapter, and this is where actually this data only gets reflected in your traffic light. So please make sure that Palms is right and it is correct.
Yeah, it affects the members traffic light and also your chapter's traffic light, so be very conscious about it. Quickly learn how to do it best. இப்போ இந்த வாரத்துல இருந்தே பழைய VP ஓட சேர்ந்தே நீங்களும் வந்து என்டர் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிடுங்க. Soumya, you want us to go through the Telebridge format?
Not here.
Not here, right? Okay.
Not here. Okay, so I'll quickly show you guys the membership committee report, and if you have any the new VPs, if you have any queries, please do post it in the chat box. We will take it up for the discussions. Okay, membership committee. Okay, this has to be conducted, this meeting has to be conducted the first week of the month. This is like setting the goal for that particular month in terms of what this chapter is going to do for that month. So you've already fixed the goal for the entire term, and now from there actually you're going to drive the action items, and this is like your execution plan for that month, and this has to be conducted by the VP with the MC committee members. President and secretary treasurer can join. Okay, and definitely VP and the MC members have to be present in that meeting, right? And here this particular section, if you see, this data has to be updated by your lead visitor host. He will just say as to how many members have attended, visitors have attended last month, how many have converted. Okay, and then the other important thing, attendance. Okay, see idhukku munadi VP actually has to bring so many reports. Okay, he has to get the attendance coordinator to get the attendance report. Okay, there is an absence report which is there generated. Okay, I'll show you that very quickly in BNA Connect. Okay, there is an absence report which is there, which by default it will give you 6 months absence report. You can discuss based on that as to what is the action or what is that we need to do in terms of a member who's actually absent for more than 2 times. If the member is absent more than 2 times, abdina, and the first control letter has to go, right? And if the member is absent more than 3 times, again the second control letter has to be sent. All this has to be sent immediately after the chapter meetings. Please don't wait.
That absence report, we will do it in Garam team training. On the absence report, you will actually input in the MC team report.
Sorry for interruption. This control letter should be sent by attendance coordinator or by vice president?
Sir, MC committee la irundhu rendu per sign panni anupalam.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. And this has to be mailed to their office address or the communication address which the member has given. And a copy has to be sent to the regional office. Okay, that's how actually they keep track of as to what are the things which has been done by the chapter. Okay, you talk about the participation, just say a member is actually coming in but not giving any, I mean not bringing visitors, not passing referrals, or not even acting upon the referrals which has been passed. Punctuality. Okay, chapter growth as to how are actually they are doing in terms of how many applications are pending. All that you will discuss. Complaints regarding many members, complaint in written form if it has come, you can discuss that in the meeting. Okay, new applications. Okay, renewals in 3 months.
Please
which is
don't
coming up.
waste your time discussing about things they are only talking about. it's a total waste of MC's time.
Okay.
So Bhuvan சொன்ன மாதிரி ரிட்டர்ன்ல வந்தா மட்டும் நீங்க அதை வந்து டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுங்க.
எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Okay. If there are any chapter problems which you face that okay, referrals actually are not happening or one-to-ones are not happening, okay, all that actually you can discuss. And then these are the let's say first warning letter sent to, for example, Bhuvan. Okay, that has to be mentioned here. Probation letter, actually it is like this participation member illa our participate panla chuma is coming and he is actually not doing anything. Probably you can send a probation letter, or if the member has got an attitude problem, okay, you can send a probation letter.
But FYI, in this region, we have not sent any probation letters that I know of. So don't, அது இருக்குங்கிறதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணிடாதீங்க. பேசி மென்டர் பண்ணி கோச் பண்ணுங்க. Mentors will take care of that.
Okay.
And your next member recruitment activity is nothing but your BVD or your power team focus day or your special visitor invite day, whatever actually you're planning. Those are the things actually you'll have to discuss about.
Even if one of the power teams is inviting visitors for their power team meeting, evenings la veppangala, adu kuda neenga inviting activity la கணக்கு காமிக்கலாம்.
So category open letter லாம் வந்து மெம்பரை டிராப் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா அந்த லெட்டரும் நம்ம அனுப்பிச்சிடணும். ஏன்னா இதெல்லாம் வந்து நாளைக்கு வந்து ஒரு நம்ம வந்து கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணிட்டோங்கிறத MCல இருந்து we'll have to record it here.
Yes.
Categories needed has to be discussed and updated here. Any recommendations to the president in terms of chapter growth, okay, or in terms of any other activity for the related to the chapter, you can mention it here. And any topics which you feel that the education coordinator has to do it, okay, that also actually you can record it. And all the renewals are not subject to automatic approval. We have to follow 120-day process. Please, let's follow that. Okay, this is our strong recommendation because we are seeing some good results by doing this discussion with few of our members. Let's do this. Okay, and comments to BNA director. Okay, so Soumya Ramalingam என்ன action எடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீங்க டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி போட்டுடலாம். Okay. So these are all the
நக்ஷத்ரால இருந்து ஒண்ணே எழுதி போடும். Give us more members, give us more visitors and give us more business மட்டும் தான் எழுதி போடும். அவங்களும் நல்ல ஆக்ஷன் எடுப்பாங்க சௌமியா 4 வருஷமா.
இன்னொன்னு வந்து ரொம்ப important. If all this you have to send it immediately after the meeting is over. Don't wait for the RO to follow it up. See, there's one poor lady called Jayanti who sits in RO office and she keeps calling everybody, and then finally she'll come back and say, "Sir, please coach கோச்சிக்காதீங்க, தயவுசெய்து இதை மட்டும் பண்ணிடுங்க, இதை மட்டும் கேட்குறாங்க, இதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டே இருக்காங்கன்னு. ஓகே, அவங்கள ஃபாலோ பண்ற அளவுக்கு நம்ம வச்சுக்க வேண்டாம். Let's send it to her. Okay, and அதே மாதிரி induction நீங்க பண்றீங்கன்னா there is an induction format. Okay, that also has to be sent by the secretary treasurer to the RO office immediately as per the format which has been prescribed by the RO.
Yeah, that will come under secretary treasurer. For vice president, I'll just sum up quickly. Pumps entry in BNI Connect, and there is another Excel sheet called Telebridge where lot of quantitative and qualitative data about the meeting will be given. அது விபிக்கும் சப்போர்ட் அம்பாசிடருக்கும் தனியா நாங்க வந்து அப்டேட் பண்ணிடுறோம். இந்த ரெண்டுமே வந்து within 24 hours. மீட்டிங் வந்து ஃப்ரைடேனா சாட்டர்டே மத்தியானத்துக்குள்ள 10 மணிக்குள்ள அனுப்பிச்சிடுங்க. Weekly MC meeting with support ambassadors is what our region is following now. All the chapters are expected to do weekly meetings because in the மாசத்துக்கு ஒரு தடவை பண்றது வந்து கோல்ஸ் இது பண்ண முடியல. People are just அந்த 5 பேரும் சேர்ந்து ஒர்க் பண்ணணும்னா every week and the 7th day each வந்து நம்ம break பண்ணாதான் அது வேலைக்கு ஆகும். So with support ambassador, president and how involved they are, how in the process பொறுத்து ஒவ்வொரு chapter can decide whether president and secretary treasurer can join the MC meetings. MC means kandipa all the garam members and the head who is the VP has to be there. And first week of the month பண்ற MC meeting க்கு மட்டும் தான் புவன் சொன்ன ஃபார்மேட்ல MC ரிப்போர்ட் வந்து பண்ணோம். And passport to success னு ஒரு டாக்குமெண்ட் இருக்கு, அது வந்து பிடிஎஃப்ல வந்து ஷேர் பண்றோம். அது எல்லா நியூ மெம்பர்ஸ்க்கும் வந்து ஃபில் அப் பண்ண சொல்லி யூ நீட் டு கெட். நம்ம ஆக்சுவலி கிட்ல வந்து ஒரு குட்டி புக்கா வரும். இப்போ ஆன்லைன்ல வந்து there's a difficulty in getting things to do it like that, so we are going to send it in a PDF. அதை வந்து நீங்க வாங்கி வச்சுக்கோங்க because புதுசா மெம்பர்ஸ் வந்து அவங்களை சரியா கவனிக்காம they also may go out, so that is a very retention engagement tool, or what do you say, an induction process for new members having here. So this is what we need to do for vice president. Can we move on to the secretary treasurer? Secretary treasurer.
Deepa, I have to say one thing. Telebridge need not be given by VP. Telebridge.
But almost.
I will discuss.
Yeah.
No Telebridge given by VP.
Yeah, but in some regions they insist that the VP has to give the telebridge. So we'll discuss it in support ambassadors meeting tomorrow.
We will, but right now let the VP not get involved in it. I'll just share it with you in the support and you take it forward from
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
Tomorrow afternoon we'll discuss that. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So in the padathila potirukkiradhu வந்து it's not applicable now because there is no payment collection and all that. So it is not applicable now. Instead, what we are trying to do in the online is, see, padathila potirukkiradhu only it's about the chapter fees, the meeting fees and all that. ஆன்லைன்ல வந்து ஃபீச்சர் பிரசன்டேஷன் ஒரு ராஸ்டர்ஸ் வந்து நீங்க 6 months கேலண்டர்ல ஏத்திடுங்க யார் எப்போ பண்ண போறாங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு so that you don't have a last minute people dropping out and then only the head table வந்து ஏதோ BNI பத்தி சொற்பொழிவு ஆத்திட்டு போற அந்த லாஸ்ட் மினிட் ஹேங்கப்ஸ் இல்லாம முன்னாடி 6 மாசத்துக்கு உங்க மெம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாரையும் நீங்க ராஸ்டர்ல போட்டுடுங்க நடுவுல புது மெம்பர்ஸ்க்கு ஸ்லாட் கொடுத்துடுங்க just new member presentation launch pads are 4-minute presentation and feature presentation are 8 minutes so you make a thing so you have the number of members in every month right so adha vechi neenga panikonga and secretary treasurer has to drive for the visitors along with the LVH events and trainings also it comes under him we are looking at 2 social online events and training calendar every month there are 2 trainings but you can take from each member get a commitment of 4 trainings in 6 months and ask him to attend those trainings only we are not expecting everybody to attend all the trainings all he has to do is 4 trainings and he can do that and then 30 seconds also you have to take care 30 seconds வந்து அந்த கரெக்டான ஃபார்மட்ல இருக்கா பார்க்கணும் அந்த introduction your USP or your success story or your business about your business in simple words without any jargons then your specific ask வந்து B2C க்கு ஒரு ஃபார்மட் இருக்கு B2B க்கு ஒரு ஃபார்மட் இருக்கு important thing both your feature presentations and your 30 seconds should be allowed only for the registered category in BNI there is no freebies everybody is paying equal fees so you get to register only in one category and நீங்க வந்து எங்கெல்லாம் வந்து we will lose out நான் சொல்றேன் பாத்துக்கோங்க chapter presentationல you will put something else which is not there ஒரு மெம்பர் BNI கனெக்ட்ல என்ன கேட்டகரியில இருக்காரோ அதை எடுத்து சாப்டர் பிரசன்டேஷன்ல போடணும் ராஸ்டர்ல போடணும் அவங்களோட 30 செகண்ட்ஸும் அதை பத்தி தான் இருக்கணும் ஃபீச்சர் பிரசன்டேஷனும் அதை பத்தி தான் இருக்கணும் இது வந்து it's again a culture issue but it comes under secretary treasurer to make sure that it is getting care and also in that இப்போ வந்து நம்ம professional background use பண்ணணும் and attire வந்து BNI attire with pin and coat and all that because the meetings that are happening online with t-shirts and stuff like that is actually a depressing factor and BNI oda beauty வந்து கம்மியாகுது so already life is so hard outside let's not make it more hard so we really request the secretary treasurer and the support team to drive the professional attire and backgrounds in this so this is basically summing up for the secretary treasurer there are only 2 reports that he has to do one is the visitor entry which is immediate see VP க்கு கூட ஒரு 24 hours time இருக்கு PAM submit பண்ண but visitor entry வந்து நீங்க உடனே வந்து பண்றது is highly recommendable can we go to the next slide and new member induction format like அது ஒரு எக்ஸல் ஷீட் இருக்கு அந்த ஃபார்மேட் படி அனுப்பணும் இது 2 entries தான் பண்ணனும் இது வந்து immediately after chapter meeting பண்ணா it will be good Bhuvan will be kind enough to do a demo of the visitor entry in BNI Connects
I have one info here. Many times you are inducting people without having a visitor entry. You are all in a hurry to get the visitor inducted, but there is no visitor entry. And without a visitor entry, we cannot do induction. Today, we had instances where 7 visitors were missed out in a BVD. And the member comes back and says, 7 visitors from July is missing. That's why my traffic lights are low. It is denying the member the rights to a visitor. So please do not miss any visitor and all members encourage them to look at their PMAs so that they know whether visitors have come or not. It's so
சரி சாமியா இப்போ நம்ம ஒரு மீட்டிங் இன்னைக்கு முடியுதுன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்களேன் 10 visitors are there ஒரு any chapter 10 visitors have come now அந்த 10 வந்து யார் கூட்டிட்டு வந்தாங்கற ஒரு ஒரு சின்ன வாட்ஸ்அப்ல ஒரு லிஸ்ட் வந்து செக்ரட்டரி ட்ரெஷரர் can put in the main group, in the official group, the 2 was brought by Bhuvan, 2 from Deepa, 2 from Prabhu, 2 from Shriram, அந்த மாதிரி போட்டு அது ஓகேயான்னு பார்த்து கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் என்டர் பண்ணலாம். That
Exactly.
should be easier.
Apart from that, Zoomly you can ask the question. Zoomly you can get invited by whom? Additional question.
அது அப்படியே அவங்க ஃபில் பண்ணிட்டாலும் அவங்க பேரே போடுறாங்க இல்ல வேற யாரோ மெம்பரே இல்லாத பேர் போடுறாங்க. I saw the registrations that happened for the
I'm
it was
seeing
crazy.
this confirmation happening in Tiara. I'm seeing that confirmation happening in Tiara. Please go ahead.
Okay.
Get the confirmations because for somebody it's 15 visitors. For and the best is there is all names of Ramesh. 10 Ramesh. Oh, this is also Ramesh. And some same numbers 900000000. Same numbers. This makes it very difficult. Makes it very difficult for each chapter. So Secretary Treasurer has to take that effort and get it done. Entry is most important.
உங்க மெயில் ஐடி சொல்லுங்க.
mdeepa1976@gmail.com.
So visitor entry, just to make sure that they've already attended or இல்லையான்றதுக்கு தான். Okay, so she has already attended.
It's telling I am a member.
71.
So again, yes, very good example. If you find an email ID tag to member, then they are not a visitor, they are observers.
They are observer. Okay, so இப்போ வந்து இவர் வந்து என்னோட friend 2016 அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிருக்காரு. It's okay, fine. He has attended, we know. Okay, he has attended in 2 chapter meetings and I'm going to add him assuming that he has attended our meeting. Okay, give inviting credit in pumping.
எங்க போய் சர்ச் பண்ணீங்க?
Okay, so I went into okay, sorry, let me just
secretary போயிட்டு visitor entry பண்ணுவாங்க.
secretary போயிட்டு operations போயிட்டு okay, chapter போயிட்டேன். Sorry about I straight away jumped in to this manage register
as usual.
Okay, manage அங்க போயிட்டு add visitor ன்னு இருக்கா, அங்க போய் கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா
மெயில் ஐடி போட்டு சர்ச் பண்ணணும்.
அப்புறம் mdeepa sorry ranga 7171@gmail.com. So this guy has attended couple of meetings. Assuming that he has attended our chapter meeting, you go here and then please by default this is clicked. Okay, இது unclick பண்ணிடாதீங்க, uncheck பண்ணிடாதீங்க. Okay, and எந்த சாப்டருக்கு வந்திருக்காரு. Okay, since actually I represent the, I mean எனக்கு இதுல இருக்கு. So industry, this is most important. Okay, இங்க தான் வந்து நம்மளோட
திறமையை காமிக்கணும்.
கேட்டகரியோட கிளாஷ் ஆரம்ப புடையார் சொல்லியே இங்கதான். ஓகேவா, சோ அதனால வந்து இது ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லா எந்த பர்டிகுலர் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி என்ன கிளாசிபிகேஷன் அவர் உள்ள வர போறாரு அப்படிங்கறதெல்லாம் செலக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஹெல்த் அண்ட் வெல்னஸ்.
இதுல ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தா நம்ம சப்போர்ட் அம்பாசிடரை கேட்கலாமா?
யா கண்டிப்பா கேட்கலாம். ஓகே. Okay, so there are multiple things, right? Look at this. This is what actually has been mapped in BNI globally. This is what you'll get everywhere in BNI. Air purification comes under health
therapist வந்து health and wellness. Very good. Massage therapist select பண்ணுங்க.
Ergonomics, fitness trainer, healing, okay, all that. And look at it. Health and wellness products is one category. Health and wellness services is another category. Right? Nutrition, meditation, yoga. I'm just selecting meditation, yoga.
Invite list, okay. There are I have sent the list to each team. There are about 255 categories.
Super. Yeah. Okay. So you can today's meeting actually, let's assume I'm just taken this is the name actually which I got. Dhanakarthik enoda per eduthiten, title, Mr. all that. See, give all the information. Okay. Ivar erkanave vandadanaala BNI la irundhu his name and his company name actually has been retrieved. Look at this. His contact details also has been retrieved. If there is a change, just go ahead and update it. Okay, and then you can actually submit this. Verify all this information and then submit this. Idu submit odane Deepa sonna mari meeting mudinja odane submit pannidunga. Submit பண்ணாதான் VP இதெல்லாம் நீங்க for example last August month was a BVD month in Chennai North region, right? Every chapter had around 130 140, right? All those visitors have to be details have to be entered one by one. You can't skip that. If they've already come, it's okay, fine, you can actually ignore that. Otherwise, just go ahead and enter all the details and submit it, because this is what is going to be important for the VP also to verify whether those people have come, and he has to say yes or no, and then only he can go and verify the other details for submitting his forms. Okay, so this has to
VP
be
will
done.
cross check the number of visitors per member.
Sir, I
He
need
has
one
to, he is
clarification, sir.
accountable for that.
In
So
case
நீங்க
the
ஏதோ சாப்டர்ல வந்து 7 பேர் விசிட்டர்ஸ் காணா போயிட்டாங்கன்னா VP கரெக்ட்டா கிராஸ் செக் பண்ணலன்னு அர்த்தம். சௌமியா,
Sir, நீங்க
you
இப்ப
don't
இத
know one
செக் பண்ணீங்க.
example.
One second, madam. நீங்க இத செக்
Yeah,
பண்ணீங்க.
சொல்லுங்க sir.
In case the same person is coming under a different company name, what will happen?
If they are coming in a different company name, yeah,
Two
both
entries
That is
are
okay. இமெயில் ஐடி தான் சார் வந்து ஒரு இமெயில்
நம்மளுக்கு
ஐடி
email
டாக்
ID தான்.
பண்ணிப்போம்.
okay, okay.
நம்மளுக்கு இமெயில் ஐடி வச்சு தான் நம்ம சர்ச் பண்றதே. ஓகே, so
See, அதனால தான் நம்ம BVDs வந்து எப்பவுமே
also, right?
Yeah, okay. DVDs வந்து second week தான் usually வைப்போம். First week everybody is busy. Last week usually they don't have money and they have lot of your business target problem and all that. So usually we keep it in second week or third week of the month. That is a very healthy practice. And even if you're not able to input all the ஒரு 100 விசிட்டர்ஸ் 150 விசிட்டர்ஸ் வந்துட்டாங்கல்ல, எல்லாமே வந்து அந்த வாரமே போட முடியலன்னா கூட ஒரு 50 செகண்ட் வீக்ல உடனே போட்டுட்டு தேர்ட் வீக்ல உடனே தேர்ட் வீக்ல யூ கேன் புட் தி ரெஸ்ட் ஆஃப் தி 50. ஸ்டில் இட் வில் கவுண்ட் இன் தட் பர்టిక్యులர் மந்த். அந்த மந்த் முடியறதுக்குள்ள லாஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம்ஸ்க்குள்ள யூ ஹேவ் டு என்டர். தென் இட் வில் கம் இன்டு தேர் டிராஃபிக் லைட்ஸ். Some huge chapters they play around. இந்த மாசம் எனக்கு விசிட்டர் போடாதீங்க, நான் ஆல்ரெடி 10 விசிட்டர்ஸ் கொண்டு வந்துட்டேன், எனக்கு இந்த மாசம் 5 போடுங்க, அடுத்த மாசம் 5 போடுங்க எல்லாம் சொல்லி பயங்கரமா ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜிக்கா ப்ளே பண்ணுவாங்க. பட் இட்ஸ் too much of a headache for the VP to tag that. So you better finish all the entries within that month itself, and please avoid DVDs in the first week and the fourth week of the month or the last week of the month.
இது again ஒரு thank you mail actually போறது, இதை uncheck பண்ணீங்கன்னா it will not go. Okay, all that, and again you can go start updating it here and then submit, right?
I'm not sure
I'm
it
just closing
because it is 2 years back. It will allow to be submitted, Leah, Bhuvan. If it's something 6 months kulla illa 1 year kulla irundha, it will not allow. A visitor can attend any BNI chapter only twice.
Yeah, exactly.
But it allows.
It allows.
It allows.
Okay, I'm just going to close this. It's about it. I'm not going to enter anything.
Once, Bhuvan, speaker
Sorry?
report.
Yeah. I'm just only closing this. Okay. Then okay.
So this they have not entered at all.
Okay. So, for example, if you are actually going to have your feature presentations for 6 weeks, this is what the ST is reading it during the meeting, right? This has to be entered here. Okay, you can actually select the date. For example, I'm selecting. Okay, I'll just select it for next week. Okay, and I'm going to assign a speaker. Enter date. And I'm just going to say, for example,
இவங்களே கேளுங்க ஸ்பார்க்கிள்ஸ்ல அடுத்த வாரம் யார் பண்ண போறான்னு சொல்லி. They can give the actual data. This is for Nakshatra.
Sir, யார் சார் பண்ண போறோம்? ஸ்ரீராமன் சார். Next week யார் பண்றாங்க?
என்னது?
Next week presentation.
Presentation Dhanakarthikeyan, Ashwin Badri.
The topic is also there.
Feature presentation போட்டுடுங்க 8 minutes போட்டுடுங்க. So you have the head table presentation. You have head table presentation பண்றீங்கன்னா Prabhu, whoever is the president அவங்க பேர் போடுங்க. Then 8 minutes presentation இருக்கு, launch pad இருக்கு, அப்புறம் power team focus, power team presentation இருக்கு. These are the type of presentations that usually happen. Karorpati presentation is another DVD.
Ashwin Badri மேல இருக்கு sir. Ashwin Badri மேல இருக்கு.
Ashwin Badri. Okay. See, this is what actually you have to enter it here for all the 6 weeks. What happens is The beauty is actually there will be a mail which will be triggered, and it will be sent to the member actually whose presentation is going to come up. Okay, and there will be a reminder as well. So
The
this is
topic has
automatically
to be
actually.
in clear. Topic has to be, say, car parks.
No,
Every
I'm just
presentation has a topic, right? So you can actually assign a topic there.
okay.
This category you mean?
No, not category. His topic about car parks. He may be talking about car parks. In
Parking solutions.
a parking
So
system.
this has to be entered, right? And this actually has to be maintained by the secretary treasurer, and every 6 weeks. So that's the reason why actually we are asking all of us to actually prepare the 6 months calendar in advance, so that we know who's going to present, and that data can be easily taken from there and it can be fed here, which BNI will take care of sending this. BNI Connect will take care of sending the reminders and emails to the respective speakers. Clear?
You can edit this. இப்போ யாருக்கா உடம்பு சரியில்லைன்னா you can edit and put the other guy's name immediately whenever you know. New members நீங்க வந்து அவங்க ஜாயின் பண்ணும்போது நீங்க 6 weeks mentoring முடிச்சிட்ட அப்புறம் launch pad கொடுப்பீங்க. launch pad first ஏத்திட்டு அப்புறம் feature presentation ஏத்தலாம்.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Okay. That's about it. So
We are done.
yeah, we are done.
Induction format, Bhuvan. The new member
Yeah,
induction
that's
format is the other thing that the secretary treasurer does.
See, this is the induction format. Please do follow this. Okay. Chapter name. இப்போ 3 மெம்பர் இன்னைக்கு ஆக்சுவலா ஸ்பார்க்கிள்ஸ்ல இண்டக்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. All the 3 members data have to be entered here. The reason why they are asking this is what actually will go into BNI Connect. This data only will be reflected in their BNI Connect profile, and assuming that if they have not given the GST number and all, if actually we have sent this data and if they raise the invoice, நான் என்ன சொல்லுவேன், ஐயோ எனக்கு ஜிஎஸ்டி இருக்கு நீங்க கிரெடிட்டே கொடுக்கல அப்படின்பேன். நான் ஜிஎஸ்டி நம்பரே கொடுக்கலன்னா how can you actually go ahead and give this data, right? So please do get all this information. That is why this particular format has been given.
Bones sir original information.
சொல்லுங்க.
எல்லா இன்ஃபர்மேஷனுமே அந்த ஃபார்ம்ல சப்மிட் பண்றோம்.
சரி.
Duplication of work.
This is not duplication, because sometimes the names that they submit in the form, the category they submit in the form is different. So that is why this is a confirmation of the category, confirmation of their emails. This is all experience, we have seen it. So that is why.
Another thing, Soumya, I'll add one more point to that. Suppose somebody is coming to Nakshatra and they put my name in the visitor. Deepa has invited XYZ, who is actually sponsored by somebody from Tiara. So inga vandu correct sponsor perum Tiara chapter போட்டு அது கரெக்ட்டா எடுத்துட்டு போணும். ஃபார்ம்ல வந்து வராது. ஃபார்ம்ல வந்து எந்த சாப்டர் இன்வைட் பண்ணாங்களோ அவங்க தான் வரும். But I'm only inviting him to my chapter for membership. I'm not the sponsor. So this is actually a very very strong point. And also மத்த ரீஜன்ல இருந்து வரதுக்கும் இந்த ஃபார்ம்ல தான் வந்து it was helpful. நம்ம காஞ்சிபுரம் ரீஜன்ல இருந்து ரெஃபர் பண்றாங்க, கோயம்புத்தூர்ல இருந்து ரெஃபர் பண்றாங்க, எல்லாத்துக்கும் இந்த ஃபார்மேட் தான் வந்து is the final authority.
Not only that, they have 2-3 companies. So they will give one GST of one company, and then they will ask another one afterwards. So why duplications? Check it out and give it to us directly. This is a very important document for us. We are facing huge problems here.
Okay. And one more challenge or one more issue which we are facing, practical issue which we are facing is, இப்போ அந்த visitor வந்து என்ன சொல்றாங்க, இன்னைக்கு காலையில Yusuf was also saying, I think yesterday I believe, that visitor actually had submitted the form thrice and then he said, okay நான் பண்ணிட்டேன் போலன்னு சொல்றீங்க. So then probably Yusuf might have actually gone ahead and submitted the application on behalf of the visitor. So in order to make sure that the correctness of the data, it is better that actually we follow this format and submit it. Okay. So it makes much more easier so that we don't have to go for correction later on.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Thank you so much.
GST is involved. So
Yeah. Any questions? I mean, I think we are done with respect to.
yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah. Presentation. Yeah. I'll just
Secretary
share.
Treasurer is done. These are the
Yeah,
3 important reports: visitor entry, feature presentation roster, and new member induction format.